Right, let's cover arrays and multiple copies. So go into model space, let's put a circle on the screen, tab into the diameter box, call it diameter 10. Okay, so select that tool, and then I go down to my menu tool and go linear copy. X step, so in the positive sense, let's go 25, in the Y sense 0, but 10 sets, enter. So we've got multiple copies of the circle tool. So what we could do now is highlight all of those, linear copy again. This time we'll do a Y step of 25, but we'll do a X step of 12.5, say. I'm going to create like a mesh, but only 2 sets. So then we've got like a staggered mesh panel. So I'll select all of them. Now I know that there's 25 between, so I want to go 50mm, I think, if I've got that thinking right. So 50mm in the Y sense, and let's put in 5 sets. Yeah, so we end up with like a nice perforated mesh type panel. So what we could do is select a rectangle and go from the quadrant point there down to the quadrant point there. I'll select all the ones that are outside of the rectangular panel, and then these half holes I'll discard those, because say we're going to get this laser cut, and then we'll discard these half holes as well, just selecting them and then pressing the delete key, and we've got quite a nice looking mesh panel. So I'll radius these edges, modify, fillet 2D, snap into the tab into the radius box. Let's put a 25mm rad on this. Select first entity. So pick that line, 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 that line. What I'll do is I think I'll put some. I think I'll, from that point there, I think I'll just put a little hole in instead for fixing the lug hole. Say 8 diameter. Say we're screwing this to something. Let's go 4 diameter. I'll delete those circles. Don't want them. In fact, I think I'll make a slot. So I'm going to use the old linear copy. I'm going to copy it minus 10, just 2 sets, and I'm then going to pick up the line tool, but tangent to 2 arcs. Snap there, 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 there. Trim tool, multiple edges, trim that out. Polyline tool, auto joining, select. I've got a nice slot. So mirror tool, I've set that up as F on mine. F, midpoint there. I see it goes into that hole. So what I'll do is I think I'll just move that out to there. Freehand move. Freehand move, but I press the shift key down, which let me do that again. So I pick it up on the default, but I hold the shift key down. It allows it to only move orthogonally up or down. So I know I'm going to stay on that center line. Right, so mirror that again. F for flip on mine. And then let's mirror it down the bottom, flip about this line here. Again, let's take that hole out. File, save. Probably take this into the DXF template, save it as revision 14, and then it's ready for laser cutting. So simple linear arrays and build up into a staggered That could be anything, bricks, any shape you like, grids, whatever, grills. So that'll do for that lesson.